Welcome back to the Everyday Workbench. A question that comes up pretty often with people doing maintenance on their wood deck is what's the difference between a semi-transparent stain and a solid color stain? And what does that mean as far as applying that on a wood deck? Which one should I use and which one is best? Well, when you're applying any sort of coating onto a wood deck, the first thing to understand is that waterproofing it is not enough. That's not enough protection for the wood, and your wood deck is not going to last very long if you're just applying a waterproofing agent to the deck. That's why it's important to consider putting some sort of coating with a pigment in it. So you really want to protect your wood deck from the sun. So that's why you would want to use a semi-transparent stain or a solid color stain. Now, back to the question, what is the difference? Now, look at a semi-transparent stain as more of a stain. You're going to be able to see that wood grain. It's got pigment in it, so it can have coloring in it, and it goes on like a stain on the wood, but you're going to be able to see the character of the wood, the grain of the wood shine through that semi-transparent stain. That solid color stain is going to be almost like a paint. It's going to be a thicker coating that goes on the deck, and you're not going to be able to see the grain of the wood as much. Now, you will get a little bit more protection against UV rays chewing through that wood deck, but sometimes people like to see a little more character of that wood, a little bit more of the wood grain, and that's why you would use a semi-transparent stain versus a solid color stain. So the semi-transparent, less protection, you're going to see more character of the wood, and the solid color stain is almost like a paint, and you're going to get a higher level of protection, but you're not going to be able to see any of the grain and the character of that wood deck. As always, thank you for watching the Everyday Workbench.